Prepare Printhead cleaning solution, moisturizing solution, cotton swab, and straw. Move the carriage away. Use the cotton swab dipped in cleaning solution. Wipe the ink off the wiper. And wipe the ink off the cap top. Use a straw to pump in the printhead. Moisturizing solution. Drop into the cap top. Return the carriage to its original position. Close the ink tube clamp to prevent ink leakage. But not to close the white ink in moisturizing tube clamp.